You've been asking, and it's finally here. Infinix's most powerful Note device and the first of the Note series to feature a periscope lens capable of 100x zoom. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G. Let's get on with it. At first glance, you might say, well, it's just a Note 50 Pro with a better processor, and you might be right to some extent, but make no mistake, they're not the same. This one is on steroids. Not only is it equipped with a far superior processor, it's got better camera hardware and just feels more premium. But this is not a comparison between them. Obviously, they are both premium, but each has a different target audience. So let's focus on the Note 50 Pro Plus 5G. Now, thankfully, I was able to get my hands on the Racing Edition. I've only had this for a few days, so this will be more of a hands-on review and my impressions. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G is a mid-range phone priced around $400 to $450. In Nigeria, it should be around $650k or a little more. It comes in just one memory configuration, 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, which is not expandable. The unboxing experience is the same complete package we've come to expect from Infinix and then some. You get all accessories, and in typical fashion, you also get a glass screen protector in the box. The Racing Edition comes with a stylish looking protective casing that feels like a combination of leather and silicone. I like that it doesn't take much away from the design, it actually gives it an interesting look. Since the Note 50 Pro Plus supports wireless charging, the case is required should you want to use a magnetic wireless charger. There's a good chance Infinix might offer one on pre-order when this goes on sale. Now I'm just speculating, so don't take my word for it. The wireless charging speed supported here is up to 50 watts. That is faster than most phones wired charging. It also supports reverse wireless charging and then really fast wired charging at 100 watts. And would you look at that, we finally get a charging brick with Type-C port. With this, you can charge the phone fully from zero in just over 30 minutes. Now you need to enable hypercharging from the lock screen when you connect the charger. It is set to smart by default, which also charges really fast, but it uses AI to optimize the speed. When it comes to charging technology, I don't think any mid-range phone comes close. I mean, when you talk about the charging options, we get wired, wireless, and reverse wireless all in one mid-range package. That is Infinix turf, and I'd say superpower for their Note series. The Note 50 Pro Plus sports 5200 mAh battery, but what is really impressive is the new silicon carbon technology. So while packing a bit more, it remains slim without compromising battery health or lifespan. I'll need more time with it to accurately rate its battery life, but I don't expect it to perform below expectations. The Note 50 Pro Plus 5G has that premium feel when you hold it, like you're holding a flagship. It is actually built like one. The frame is metal and is crafted from armor alloy, and Infinix boasts it offers excellent impact and corrosion resistance. It is a unique looking phone with that octagonal camera bump design which was inspired by racing cars. This was done in collaboration with DesignWorks BMW, so it takes design inspiration from their new generation models. At first I thought the shape looked odd, but it has grown on me and I like it. There are 3 camera sensors here, the main, the ultra wide, and a 3x periscope telephoto which is capable of a 100x zoom. You also get a health monitoring sensor which can measure heart rate and blood oxygen. The active halo light comes on for notifications, calls, charging, voice assistant, and when using the camera. If you're someone that likes keeping your phone face down, the halo light can be handy for keeping you aware of notifications. The Note 50 Pro Plus 5G comes in 3 colors, Enchanted Purple, Titanium Grey, or this special Racing Edition. Compared to the Note 50 Pro, you will notice the position of the buttons are different. The power button is on the right and has a shiny blue tone. The volume keys are on the left frame. We get the infrared blaster and of course those nice sounding JBL tuned stereo speakers. The IP rating for the Note 50 Pro Plus is IP64 for dust and splash resistance. On the display we get a nice looking 6.78 inch AMOLED with really slim bezels and an impressive 90.3% screen to body ratio. It's 1080p, it's vibrant, and it gets up to 1300 nits in peak brightness. The display refreshes at up to 144 Hz. By default, it's set to automatically switch depending on the system needs, but you can choose 144 Hz if you so desire. Just know it will impact battery life. The optical fingerprint scanner unlocks the device just fine. It's fast and responsive. On the software, we get the much improved XOS 15 and Android 15. Mostly the same software experience we've already seen with the Note 50 Pro, so we know what to expect. I should point out though that the animations are way smoother, and I suspect it's thanks to the processor. Launching apps and surfing through the UI is smooth, lag-free, and as you'd expect of a well-equipped mid-range phone. XOS has plenty of AI features, from the voice assistant with DeepSeek integration to call translation, smart touch, AI visual enhancer, object eraser, circle to search, and a couple more if you'd like to explore. The AI visual enhancer is exclusive to the Note 50 Pro Plus, so you won't find it on the Note 50 Pro. You can find all its AI features in the dedicated section in the Settings app. Infinix is committing to 3 years of software support, that is support up to Android 17, and security updates for 1 more year. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G comes equipped with MediaTek's Dimensity 8350. A processor I'd say offers the best performance you'll find in this category for phones available in this region. From my usage so far, it handles tasks effortlessly. Infinix says it can handle PUBG Mobile at 120 FPS, so of course I installed that first to confirm, and it actually does. In a more detailed review, I might test how it handles long sessions and other high graphics games. For the camera specifications, we get 50 megapixels for the main and telephoto, then 8 megapixels for the ultra wide. The selfie camera is 32 megapixels. The periscope telephoto camera is 3x, but it's interestingly capable of going up to 100x in zoom if you like to capture objects from long range. These are the few photos I've captured so far. The Note 50 Pro Plus is capable of recording 4K 60 FPS from its rear camera and 4K 30 from the selfie camera. So this is what it looks like filming with the Note 50 Pro Plus selfie camera. Currently shooting at 4K 30 FPS. You can go up to 4K 60 FPS on the rear camera. Now, Infinix allows you get ultra steady even when shooting 4K 30 FPS on the selfie camera, so it looks stable. And the rear camera, you can also do ultra steady with 4K 60 FPS. What do you think? The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G is an interesting device to say the least, and its specs give the competition a run for the money. The software is looking good, the processor is top notch, and cameras also look good. With what I've seen so far with the Note 50 series, I like where Infinix is headed, and I'm curious what we'll see for future generations and even the upcoming Zero series. I'll be spending more time with this one to see how it holds up. That is all from me. Peace out.